Hurry before the warm weather is over to enjoy this beautiful home with inviting backyard with sparkling in-ground pool. This home features an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, large family room with adjoining formal dining area. Quaint bay window overlooking the back patio area where you can spend your evenings grilling out by the pool and let the children run and play in this family-oriented neighborhood located in the new East Ouachita school zone. Call today to schedule your private showing.